Alright guys, so I got the Sony FDR X3000 here, and I wanted to show you the stabilization settings. As you can see here in the menu, it's set to active mode, and you have standard mode, and then you also have off. So you can also adjust these settings by using the monitor. If you have the monitor linked with the camera, you can go into that as well and use the arrows in the menu just like you do on the device, the camera itself. So I'm just going to show you the difference between active mode, standard mode, and no stabilization. So check it out. Alright, stabilization is off, and I'm just walking down some stairs, going into the back here. And just stand up on the picnic bench. I'll just jump off. Alright, so that's what you get. Now I'm going to turn the stabilization on and do that again. Alright, now I have the stabilization in standard mode, and I'm doing the same walk. And up onto the bench, and I'll just jump off. Alright, so that's standard mode. Alright, so this time I got active mode on, and Bones Jones, alright, he wants to play. So going down the stairs with active mode, now this should be a combination of optical and digital. So it should be the best as far as super smooth goes. I'll just jump off. There we go. Hey Bonesy, you got your ball, buddy? Good boy.